Good morning, children. How you have been? Hope you all have been really good and you all are safe at your home. And hope you all are not troubling your parents. Are you troubling them? You should not trouble your parents. And as you are at home, you should help them. Are you helping them or not? You should help them, okay? And you should also give time to your studies. You know that in July and this month only from 20th you are having your exams, so you should study. And in maths, two chapters will come. Chapter number 1, the fishtail, and chapter number 2, shapes and angles. So today we will do the revision of the first chapter, the fishtail. So these MCQs I have provided you earlier. So we will discuss these MCQs and with that we will revise the chapter. So let's begin. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. So the first question was, in Indian system numbering, one's place has dash digits, thousand, lakhs and crore have dash digits each. As we know that there are two systems of numbering, Indian system and international system. Indian system is accepted only in India and international system is accepted all over the world. So there are two systems of numbers. So in Indian system and international system, different numbering system is there. Okay, so we will study. We have already studied, but we will revise how they are categorized. So as we have studied earlier also, we can see here, we will show you. Now this is Indian system of numbering. Here you can see there are groups, there are periods and groups here. Ones, ones, thousands, lakhs, crore. Okay, ones, thousands, lakh, crore, like this. Some periods are there. Now you can see in ones, what is there? You can see ones is there, tens is there, and hundreds is there. So in ones period, how many are there? 3 are there: ones, tens and 100. Similarly, in the case of thousand, you can see thousand, 10,000, thousand, 10,000 and lakh, 1,000 and 10,000. So 2 are there, and in this case how many were there? 3 are there. And here lakh, so 10 lakh and 10 lakh. How many are there? 2 are there. And this crore one, crore and 10 crore. 2 are here. So you can see the division. Can you see the division? The first one is division of 3. Ones, tens and 100. They are together. So 3, then 1,000 and 10,000 together. So 2 are there. Then lakh and 10 lakh are together. This is the 2 one. Then crore and 10 crore are together. So what's this series? 3, then 2, 2 and 2, so on. So this pattern is followed in the Indian system: 3, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2, so on. Okay, so this pattern is followed in the case of only Indian system. Now in the case of international system, we'll see. Now this is the international system and we will see what's the pattern followed in international system. You can see here ones, tens, million, ones, thousands, million, like this. Now here you can see in the ones place, ones, tens and 100. 3 are there. Now in the thousand case, 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. One more is there, 100,000. But in case of Indian system, 100,000 was not there. In place of this, what was there? Lakh was there. So you can say 100,000 is equals to how much? 1 lakh. So in this case, what's the 3 is there? Group of 3. Now million, 10 million, 100 million. So group of 3 again. So means 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and here then after million what will come? Billion, then 10 billion, then 100 billion, then again it will be the group of 3. Okay, so means 3 3 3 3. All will be 3 3 3. Group of 3 will be continued. So in international system, a group of 3 is formed, 3 3 3 is formed, and in Indian system 3 2 2 2 2 2 2 is continued. Okay, so this is the numbering system, an Indian and international system. So let's come to the question. Let's come back to the question. Now here the question was, the Indian system numbering, ones place has how many digits? We have studied ones place has how many digits? 3 digits. Okay, ones, tens and hundred, 3 were there. Now lakhs and thousand, lakhs and crore had how many digits? 2 digits. So 3 and 2. So second option is correct. Is it clear? Okay, let's move to the next question. The next question is, in international system of numbering, all periods have dash places. This we have studied in international system of numbering. In international system of numbering, all periods have dash places. How many places? How many places? 3 3 each. We have studied ones, tens, hundred together, then thousand, 10,000 and 100,000 together, then million, 10 million and 100 million together. So in international system, how many are there? How many places are there? 3 places are there. Okay, now next question. Complete the velocity. Complete the formula. We have to complete this formula. What's the formula? Distance is equals to speed into what? Distance is calculated as speed multiplied by what? Speed multiplied by what? Now first one is velocity, second is number, then third is time. So we all know that velocity is same as what? Speed. So we will not take, number is not there. So what's the answer? Time. So distance is what? Speed multiplied by the time taken. Now the question number 4, cost of 10 pen is rupees 100. We have given the numerical here. Now cost of 10 pens is 10 pen we have taken, and their cost is how much? 100 rupees. What will be the cost of 15 pens? Now you have to tell what will be the cost of such 15 pens. Okay, we have taken 10 pens. If we will take 5 more pens, how much it will cost? We have to find. So for this, what we will do, first of all, we will find the cost of only one pen. Okay, now we will find it here. Now here we know that cost of 10 pen. 10 pen equals to how much? 10 pen means how much? 100 rupees. Cost of 10 pen is rupees 100. Now cost of 1 pen will be how much? 1 pen will be how much? 100 divided by 10. So we will divide 100 by 10. What we will get? Let's see. When we will cut 0 by 0, what is left? 1 and 10. 1 doesn't have any value, so it will be 10. So cost of 1 pen is, 1 pen will cost how much? 1 pen will cost 10 rupees. 1 pen will cost 10 rupees. So we have to find for how many pens? 15 pens we have to find. So what we will do? Yes, we have studied this earlier also, that when we have to find for more, we have to find for more, and we are given only 1. So what we do? What we do? We multiply. Yes. So what we will do? We will multiply 15 by 10 and we will get the answer. What's the answer? 15 tens are 150. Very good. So what's the answer? 150. So what will be the cost of 15 pence? It will be 120. Sorry, 150 it is. Now after this, now the next question is question number 5. If 4 kg prawns fish cost rupees 80, cost of 4 kg prawns is rupees 80, how much will you pay for 5.5 kg prawns? So how much you will pay for 5.5 kg you have to find. So first of all, you should know the cost of 1 kg prawns. Okay, first of all you will find the cost of 1 kg prawns, then we will find for 5.5 kg prawn. So for finding the cost of 1 kg, what we will do, we will divide 80 by 4. So we'll do it like this. First of all, we will divide 80 by, we know cost of 4 kg is how much? Cost of 4 kg is rupees 80. Okay, so first of all we have to find for the cost of 1 kg. So 1 kg will be how much? 80 divided by 4. So this will be 4 2 times 20. Okay, 420, 4 multiplied by 20 is 80. So this for 1 kg cost is 20 rupees, and we have to find for how much? 5 kgs we have to, 5.5 kgs we have to find. So we will find for 5.5 kg. We know 5.5 we have to find. If we will do it directly, so it will be 5 multiplied by 20, because cost of 1 kg is how much? Cost of 1 kg is 20, and we are taking how much? 5.5 kg. So 5 multiplied by 20 will give the cost of 5 kg, so it will be 100. And cost of half kg is how much? If 1 kg costs 20 rupees, if 1 kg costs 20 rupees, what will be the cost of half kg? 10 rupees. Half of 20 is 10 only, so we will add 10 here. So it is how much? 110. So what will be the cost of 5.5 kg? It will be 110. Now question number 6. 100 lakh is equals to dash crore. 100 lakh will be equals to how much? It will be equals to 1 crore. If you are not getting this, you can see the system here. Now here you can see 100 lakh it is said. So 100 lakh is there? No, because 10 lakh is there. After 10 lakh, what is there? Crore starts. So means it is 10 lakh, so it will, this one will be 100 lakh. We will count like this: 10 lakh and 100 lakh. So 100 lakh is what? Crore. 100 lakh is crore. So 100 lakh is equals to 1 crore. Okay, 100 lakh is equals to 1 crore. Now fill in the blanks. 15 multiplied by dash is equals to 135. What multiplied by 15 will be 135. So 15 multiplied by 9 is 135. Now one third of 6,000. 1/3 of 6,000. So 1/3 of means multiplication and 6,000. Now let's see. So 3 ones are 3. 3 2s 6 0 0. What's the answer? 2,000. One more 0. Okay, so it is 2,000. Next answer. Next question. 1,56,208. How we will write 1,56,208? Like this. So it will be, you know, the lakh is there. As you can see, lakh is there, means this is Indian system. Yes, no? Yes or no? Indian systems. First of all, you have to find that the given statement is in Indian system or in international system. So it is clear that it is in Indian system. So we will first see that 3 digits should be there in ones place. So 3 digit are this one is having 3 digit in ones place. This one is also having. This one is also having. Now after that, what we have to see, that it should have 2 2 2 2 after that. So it is having 2 places like this, 2 places. Now the number is 1,26,000. So let's 56,000. So let's study the first one. Let's read the first one. It is 1,56,208. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Now the next question is, the speed of a boat is 10 kilometers in 1 hour. In 1 hour it is traveling 10 kilometers. how far it will go in 3.5 hours. You have to find 3.5 hours. 3 hours complete, then half hour more. So you know that speed of boat is 10 kilometers. Speed is how much? 10 kilometer, and 3 hours. You have to find for 3 hours. Okay, 10 kilometer in 1 hour. Speed is 10, and this is how far. You have to find the distance, and what is given? 3, and time is given how much? 3.5. So this is in, here you can see this is in improper fraction. So first of all we will convert it into, so this is in mixed fraction, we will convert this into improper fraction. So how we will do? 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 6 plus 1 is how much? 7. So 7 by 2, or 7 divided by 2. Okay, now 7 divided by 2 means, so our time is 7 divided by 2, or we can say 3.5 hours. We know the formula. Let's do it here. We all know the formula. What's the formula? Speed is equals to distance divided by the time. Speed is equals to, I'll write it here. Speed is equals to distance divided by the time, and we have to find the distance. So means distance is equals to speed multiplied by time. Now we know that our time is 3 by 2. What was the time? It was 3.5 hours, means 7 by 2. So 7 by, wait. So time is 7 by 2 and speed is 10. So we'll cut it. So we will get 5. So 5 sevens are 35. So what's the distance travel? It is 35 kilometer. Let's move to the next question. It is question number 11. Which one is divided according to International System of Numeration? So we have studied earlier also that when we divide numbers according to international system, so a pair of 3 is formed. You can see easily from these numbers that in which one of these following is a group of 3 is formed. First one will see 3, 1, 2, 3 numbers are there, then 1, 2, 3 together, then 1 is there. If don't worry that if the last one is having only one digit, but because many more number can come there. Now the second one 2, 2, 2, the 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. So which one is the best? First one is the answer. Which one is divided according to the Indian system of numeration? So we have studied that in Indian system of numeration, group of 3, 2, 2 and 2 so on is formed. So let's see which one is the answer. So here first one is divided into group of 3, 3, 3, 3 means it is an international system. This one 3, 2, 2, 2. So this is an Indian system. This one in no system. This one no system. So which one is the answer? Second one is the answer. Now the question number 13. Smallest 4-digit number. Which is the smallest 4-digit number? Smallest 4-digit number is which one? 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. If you are asked for any smallest or largest number, you can easily do that. You can easily write the smallest and the greatest digit number. I'll tell you how. If you are asked that tell the smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number, you know, 99 is the biggest 2-digit number. Largest 2-digit number is 99. And if I'll ask you largest 3-digit number, it will be 9, 9 and 9. If I'll ask you 4-digit number, then 999, and means you have to just write 999 as many as the numbers are asked. If I'll ask you tell me the 5-digit largest number, so what you will say? The 5-digit largest number is, you have to write 5 9 times, 9 5 times. So this is the largest 5-digit number. Okay, if I'll read it, it is 99,999. Now if I'll say which is this biggest 1-digit number, it will be 9. 2-digit number, yes say 99. 3-digit number 999. 99. 4-digit number 9999, means you have to just add 9 each. Okay, now if I'll say this is now like this, if I'll say which is the smallest 2-digit number, it will be 10. Then smallest 3-digit number 100, smallest 4-digit number 1000. You have to just add the zeros. 4-digit number means 4 digits are there, 1 2 3 4, 4 digits are there, so this is the smallest 4-digit number. Now after this, smallest 5-digit number 1 2 3 4. So how many digits are, just count, 1 2 3 4 5. 5 digits are there, and how many zeros, 4 zeros are there. So this is the smallest 5-digit number. Now here this we have done. Now question number 15, greatest 5-digit number possible using the digit this. Now digit is given and you have to find the smallest and the biggest number possible using these number. This we have studied earlier also, that how to form the biggest number. This we have done in your holiday homework, as we have given a holiday homework. So this is the type of that one only. There also I told you that when you are forming a greatest number using some numbers, what you have to do, you have to keep one thing in mind, that you have to write the numbers in ascending order, sorry, in descending order when you are writing the greatest number. So just see from here which one is the biggest in this, which is the biggest number. 7 is the biggest number, then after that 6 is there, then 5, then 2, and then 1. So this is the largest number possible using these number. Okay, greatest number using these number. Okay, and you have to, it is should be a 5 digits. So let's count the digits, 1 2 3 4 5 digit number. Is it clear? Okay, and when you have to find the smallest digit, smallest number using these digits, so what you will do, you will write the number in which form, ascending form. It is in descending form, so you will write the number in ascending form when you have to write the smallest number. We'll see this question also. It is question number 16. Write the smallest 6-digit number using number possible using the digits. So digits are given here and you have to form the smallest digit number. You have to form the smallest number using these digits. So first rule for writing this smallest number, just keep this thing in mind. First rule for writing the smallest number, if it contains 0, if that number contains 0, you will not write 0 in the first place. Is it clear? Repeat, you will not write 0 in the first place. Okay, now 0 will never come in the first place. Like see here, 0 is there. You will not write 0, 1, 2, not like this. This is totally wrong. Okay, how you will write? So after 0, which is the smallest number? 1 is smallest number. So write 1, then after that you have to write 0. Okay, is it clear? Now see, 1, 0, then 2, then 3, then 5, and then 8. So this is the smallest possible number using these digits. Is it clear? Means you will not write 0 in the first place. Okay. Now 17 question, 1 million is equals to, 1 million equals to dash lakhs. So 1 million is equals to how much? 10 lakhs. So you can see this from the Indian and international system list as I have provided. 1 billion is equals to dash crore. So it is 100 crore. 100 crore will be equals to 1 billion. When you will compare these international and Indian system list, you will get to know this. Now question number 20, the places ones, tens and hundreds together are known as ones period. Now this is the simple one, the 2,350,101 will be equals to this. You can write Indian system to international, means you can write this international system, or you can find the international system using the period of 3 only. So this was the first chapter. Go through all the MCQs well and try to solve them at your own. Till then, Sai Ram and take care.